Yeah. Okay. So just keep your phone like little bit, up, up.
Okay.
Now it's okay. Okay. Now, you can tell me about yourself.
Yeah, so I already told you, I have completed my graduation. So, and I decided to improve my communication skill. So that's why I'm here. And before I join you, I use Buddy Talk apps to
Hmm.
speak English with different people.
Yeah.
Then I listen your audio, and you told about in your audio who want to speak English and improve their communication skill. So you can join. Then I will.
Okay. All right.
Mhm.
Okay. So through Buddy Talk, you connected with me. Okay, and you have already told
Yes,
about
yes.
it. Yeah. Also, I'm very happy. Okay,
Mhm.
Yogesh, and from which state are you?
Maharashtra, brother.
Okay, Maharashtra. And do you want to mention what you do, if you don't mind?
Yes, yes, sir. I have done BSc nursing, brother.
Okay, yeah, that's
Yes.
great. Okay,
Mhm.
just
And I
little bit
told you
up.
I told you tell you I tell
Yeah, yeah.
you I'm not interested in doing job in hospital.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Bro,
Yeah, I
just
want
keep
to
your
become a
camera little
lecturer.
bit up. Just keep little bit up your camera so I can see you properly. Yeah, now okay, yeah. This is okay. Okay, yeah,
Okay.
you told me you want to become a lecturer. Okay, but I think you didn't
Yes,
mention
yes.
you want to become an English lecturer or of any other subject.
No, no, other subject, psychology.
Okay, psychology, yeah. Psychology, sometimes
Yes, yes.
psychology. Okay. All right. Yeah, it's
Yes,
a very good
I
subject.
like this subject. So,
Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right. Uh, so, Yogesh, I think, okay, so just tell me when you started your English journey, when you started learning this language.
okay, okay. So I have been speaking English for 5 months.
Mm-hmm.
Learning 5 months. Yeah, and for that, I read some book, not daily, and I listen podcast daily.
Oh, that's great. Okay, so can you tell us some
And
benefit of listening podcast?
yes,
Mm-hmm.
yes, yes. For speaking, listening is very important, brother.
Mm-hmm.
In foreign country, the child first listen English more and more. They listen a lot, then they speak.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
So in important, and so that's why this is podcast help us to speak English so very fluently and very confidently.
Yeah,
We can
exactly.
improve our grammar naturally, brother.
Mm-hmm. Sure, exactly. By listening and reading, we can learn grammar naturally. It is called implicit learning. And yeah, for to speak any language, we need a lot of listening. Even don't need to take any foreign example. Just take ourselves. Like, when we were kid, what we used to do, we used to listen a lot. Then somehow we will able to speak our mother tongue. Okay, the same in
Yes, yes,
any
yes.
other language. If we are learning, listening is one of the it plays one of the vital role that we need to consider. Okay. Okay. So do
And
you want to
brother,
ask
brother,
something? Yeah. Tell me.
yes,
Tell
yes.
me.
And I share you one thing. So
Mm-hmm.
I studied grammar, and who the people know all details about grammar, but they don't speak properly. So in my opinion, grammar is doesn't matter while speaking.
Okay. So yeah, that definitely. I want to clear one thing in this part. Grammar definitely matters, but firstly you need to become fluent. Okay. Just take an example of Hindi or any other language that is our mother tongue. If we are
You're right.
speaking our mother tongue, it is okay in initial. If we have to communicate with any people, it's okay. No matter how you are communicating, just use a little bit good words. and the way you are communicating, only that matter. But when it comes about grammar, if you are going for any job, any interview, or if you are handling any client, okay, then grammar plays an important role. Even if you want to become a lecturer, so if you are good at grammar, okay, it will show you, okay, now at least you will sound like a professional. So it is a next part. But firstly, we need to become a comfortable with language. Okay. Firstly, we need to become a comfortable with language. Then definitely we can go for grammar. And if someone who has just mastered the fluency and English conversation, then easily it will become very easy for them to learn a grammar part. So you can do it by yourself. But it is an, in starting, if we are not speaking, we don't need to think a lot. Firstly, just speak. Just because if we will think a lot about grammar, what to use, what not to use, this is how we will end up in a studying too much. Okay. We want to speak
Yes,
in a
yes.
very fluent manner. So grammar is good, no problem. But by reading and listening, you will automatically learn how to use am with I, or how to use what to use are. Okay, you with are, or like he, see, it. We have to use is. So by learning, by listening, and by reading, we automatically know that we have to use, are with you, and we have to use is with all the singular like he, she, or name. So we can learn through normal grammar through reading and listening. Okay, but the first and foremost important thing, we need to speak. We need to speak to learn any language. And when if you want to become professional, definitely you can go for good vocabulary and good grammar. Okay.
Right, right.
Yeah.
So, brother, tell me how long time you have been speaking English?
Bro, if you will talk, like before 2.5 years, I just started little bit for 10 and 15 days, that then I quit, just because I was in my college, and I thought, okay, now it didn't require at that time for me. Okay. But now again, when lockdown occurred after March, what I did, 1.5 month I wasted, or you can say I did another thing. But after 1.5 month, I just decided, okay, now I'm going to learn. I'm going to learn this language. So it's been a more than 60 and 65 days I'm working in this language. And just I also learned through a application firstly, but now, I have my Zoom practices, and I have my Telegram. I have people like you. So now I'm just doing practice like this. And also I'm focusing on my reading, my listening. Writing is also play a very
And
good
you
role.
are doing great job, brother. You are doing great job.
Okay,
You are doing
okay.
great job. Lots of people want to speak English, but they do not get some platform to speak English.
Mm, yeah.
So that's
Exactly,
why
yeah.
is
And it is, it is, I think I want everyone to do like this. Okay. If someone can do, and if we somehow we can create community like this, we can help a lots of people who are out there. Okay. We can help lots of people, and now they don't have to pay anything, just because we are just giving our time. And this is how I'm also learning. This was also planned for me to learn. And at that time, I only started to learn through Buddy Talk, but now I have did everything. So this is how I can learn very fast. And also a person who is learning with me, they can learn in a better way. That's why, in Telegram, even if you will see, there are also many persons from different countries.
yes, yes.
A person who are from different countries, they are also uploading their audios. This is how we can listen those audios, and we can learn from that, and we can record our audio, and we can also upload in that Telegram group. So this is how anyone can improve its English
And
language.
uh, okay, so you write daily in English, some 1 to 2 page, or only listen English podcast?
Yeah, currently I'm only working on my listening, speaking, and reading, but very soon I will go for my writing as well, just because writing is also one of the important roles that plays in your language. If you are good at writing, it means you can achieve many more things. So definitely very soon I'm going to work on
Yeah, yes, yes, brother. Before 1 month, I write daily, but I'm more of that thing daily,
that.
Yeah. So, but nowadays I only speak with friends.
Yeah, okay, no problem. It's okay. All right. Okay, so
And brother,
now, Mhm. Yeah, ask
tell
me.
me what's your future plan? What's your goal?
Yeah, okay. Like future plan, basically, I want to work, ultimately in a IT sector, but currently I'm just trying to improve my this language. This is my current goal, and I will try to work as much as I can, so I can reach
Mhm.
as many as people I can. So this is what I'm doing at least for now.
Okay, okay. And brother, how the Indian people mentality, they only find mistake while other people speak. You know,
Mm-hmm.
they they do not concentrate on why the people express themselves. They only concentrate on their mistake.
Yeah, so only, in this part, I want to say only one thing. Don't care about those people, okay? If someone is trying to discourage you, or if someone is not uh, making you motivated, it's okay. Let them go. You know what are you doing. You know how you are learning. And just be field. Keep a region. Must keep region. So it will keep you working. If you have any region, whatever you
Mhm.
are doing. This is how you can save yourself from those people. Okay, and be yourself.
Yes,
Be
yes,
yourself.
yes.
Don't need to show anyone. Don't need to, just learn from everyone. Okay, just listen. And then, yeah, if it is good for you, it is helpful for you. Just listen and just apply. But if it is not, you think, okay, it is not good for me. Just let it go. All right. We don't need to care
Mhm.
any of those people who are whatever they are telling. If they are telling good, then it's okay. Just take. And if they are not, forget about it. This is what can we
Okay,
do.
so brother, you told in a previous Zoom meeting. Hello, am I audible?
Now you are audible.
Okay, so I told you, you told in previous Zoom meeting, nowadays you don't play PUBG.
Yeah, exactly. I don't play. It's been a more than like 60 and 65 days. I haven't even, I
Uh,
don't have time actually. I don't have time to play or, you know, to spend my time
and
over there.
so, and in whole day, so what do you do? You please tell me in short.
Yeah, okay. The first and foremost thing, I firstly focusing on my speaking. I do, after getting up from my bed, I try to pronounce some words. So I focus on that. Then I do my exercise first, and then I read. I listen some videos on YouTube. I watch something on like Telegram, or maybe sometime English TV series. Okay, and then I try to speak. I try to use my platform Telegram. I try to use my Zoom, and then again
Mm-hmm.
I go for reading and for speaking for different platforms. So this is what I do. Actually, I read, I watch, then I practice, then again I read, watch, and then I again practice. This is all I'm doing at least for now, and this is my daily routine.
Yeah, and nowadays I also do, brother, only speaking. I don't do read book and also
Yeah.
that's but I think speaking is very important. Communications with in front of others. So this is very build your confident.
Yeah, it is. It is. Okay, so you guys, I think now I can call it a day, and maybe next time we will again talk.
Okay, okay, okay. No problem.
Okay. Okay, so at the last, if you want to say something, you can add. Then I will just stop this
Mhm.
recording.
Okay, so if you don't mind, we can talk daily for 15 minutes. If you don't mind.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Even you can drop a message. Okay, on our WhatsApp group. Anyone is free. You can talk with anyone. If I will be free, I will call you directly on phone. Okay. So there is no issue about it. Yeah.
Okay, okay, definitely. And
Okay, actually we have a little bit internet connection, but it's okay. Thank you for joining, and definitely we will meet very soon again. Thank you, you guys.
Okay, okay, brother. Thank you. Bye.